Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add multiple videos on like your Instagram story all at once. So you're just going to kind of move to the left or like press this plus button on your story, and you're going to select the select button up here next to recent, and you're going to select the videos you want to add to your story. I'm just going to add these 4. They also have like a short duration, so it doesn't take long to upload. Press the next button here, and then you are going to press the next button again. You can also add in like text, stickers, and whatever you want to the videos, and you're just going to press next. Then you're going to share it to your story or your close friends only. I'm just going to select your story, and I'm going to press share, not now. And all of those videos will be shared to your Instagram stories. Hold on. And press done. Sorry, I forgot you need to press done. And that is basically it. As you can see, all of these are posted to your story. Oh, I accidentally posted it twice, so you might want to double check on it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!